Good morning, welcome to Waggies Travels. We're out and about and it is an absolutely stonkingly gorgeous sunny day.
Don't speak too soon.
Don't speak too soon.
Because we're going to pack up in a hurricane tomorrow.
Yeah. Well, we're actually going off to Tintagel today and we're going to see if we can walk across the air bridge. But we were advised, someone said, oh, go and have a look at the quarry. The quarry down at Delabole. I'm just trying to work out if that's someone else. I thought it was someone down there. I don't know whether this is still a working quarry. I don't know whether there's a digger over there. But apparently this is the largest excavated pit in Europe. And I was like, yeah, all right, okay. And then this is what we come to.
That's a big hole.
Now, as holes go, that's pretty impressive, isn't it?
Look at the houses up there.
Yeah, so if you just compare the houses to the actual big hole. And I don't know, but it looks like they might do some sort of, well, they obviously do something water-based there, don't they? Because there is a platform down there. But I am, to say the least, pretty impressed. And you can see where the slate's been taken in sort of layers. And to me, it still looks like there's good slate there. I mean, I might be wrong. I know absolutely nothing about slate, but that is impressive by any shot.
Well, I cannot be an authority on slate quarrying. I'm sorry. I think it's still being used.
Yeah. So there's no sort of machinery there to.
Oh no, what's that?
I don't know. I mean, I could be completely wrong. Totally and utterly wrong. I don't know. Does anyone know if it's still used?
It's very neat.
Yeah. Oh, there is stuff over there. Look, if you actually look down there is machinery.
Yeah, no, that's what I think.
There's machinery.
I think it's still being used.
And there is a JCB over there. There. Go on. So, Patch, what was you saying?
What?
What was you saying?
About what?
Something down in the quarry. You said look at something.
Oh, down there.
The pipe.
No, not the pipe.
It looks like there's barriers, submerged barriers under there. But
Where the container is just to the left of it.
Container. Oh yeah, it's down there. You see it? My finger's not very good at sort of over that direction. There's like a little conveyor belt thing. But I tell you what, they've had their fair share of slate out of here, haven't they? And it looks like they're still taking it from there. But in comparison, you just look at the houses. Wouldn't want to be in that fire station, look. One fall off of there, you're down a very deeper hole than what you started off with. Yeah.
I just wonder, all those houses there, how this impacts their
I'm not
insurance.
going to say it, has it? See, she's never away from work, is she?
Don't.
As bad as me.
Well, I wonder whether the quarry people pay for their insurance, or whether I just don't know. I mean, those three. Cause, I mean, I know it's deceptive because we're looking across the vast expanse, but that looks like they're pretty close.
It does, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. But I am impressed. I am very impressed. So it was worth the drive up here, even though everything's closed. You can still go on the viewing platform. Yeah, I like it. We're going to go and have a nose round, see what else we can see. So there's the viewing platform. And then you can... There's a footpath the side of it. So to the right is the actual, I'm assuming, the quarry where when they brought the slate up, it was all cleaned, sorted, cut. What do you think? Come on, let's do it.
I have no idea.
Let's
I don't know anything about quarrying. I don't know whether they sold it as it came out the ground and other people made it, you know, into tiles or whatever they were using it for.
Yeah.
Or whether they did it here on site. I don't know. They just sold the raw material.
I don't know, but looking at that, I think this is still working. Look at that. There's new JCBs and
Somebody will tell us, wouldn't they?
yeah, someone will tell us whether it works.
You know what would be cool?
What's that?
If they just got a zip line, takes you down in
There is in Wales. You can actually do North Wales. At it'll come to me. You were going to say something.
How close to the railway are we? How do they ship it out now?
By land. There's no railway here.
Right. Okay.
There was. You used to have the railway that ran up through Eglaskerry and that sort of direction.
These are big hurdles. I don't think I'm going to get over these.
What?
Not with the 15.5 strides. It's going to take you between each one.
Oh dear. Right, well we're coming up to what looks like the entrance to the quarry from the quarry workings. The quarry, not workings, the workings are down there, aren't they? So I don't think you can. I think it's gated. Yeah, so you can't go down there. It's gated. But
There's hurdles everywhere.
yeah, you're never going to jump them, girl.
That must be.
It's because of them wires there. Because of the wires above your head.
Oh, I just thought maybe there was a very tall Cornishman.
I ain't saying nothing about Cornishmen because I know a few. Most of them are all right. Apart from, I know one that's a student paramedic. He's not. He's a nightmare. But there you go.
It's weird. That whole village on the edge of.
It is. If it's standing from here, I don't know what the perspective is like, people. But standing here, it looks like all them houses in the distance are just tinkering on the edge of the quarry.
I love the old church.
So, point of interest, I did my first ever RTC with the ambulance service outside that church.
Did you?
I did. Moped versus car.
Moped lose.
Badly, yeah.
Right,
So,
this is a big hole and there's no responsibility to...
Hey?
Well, it's like a man-made crater, isn't it? I just don't know how... Is that good, bad?
Well, it's using what's the earth provides to provide roofing.
I know, but you can't just leave great big holes everywhere.
This is Cornwall, they can do what they want.
Oh,
Have you been to St Austell? Seen the slag piles everywhere of stuff? What say you, Winnie?
It's windy, that's what windy.
Yeah,
is.
Winnie's saying it's windy. Right, so this was a trip down to the... it looks like there's footpaths everywhere. So you can probably... Oh, look, there's a bench up there, look. Can you see that? No. Up there.
No.
There's a bench.
Oh, yeah.
It goes a long way down that way.
No, I don't want to do that. Let's go and have a look up here. Oh.
Where's this bench?
Up here on the left.
What, you can see it?
Yeah, you can see it from the... Oh, it looked like a bench. It might have been a load of stuff. Let's go and have a look. Is it a bench? The joys of having a young one is you can send them ahead to go and do things you don't really want to do.
It's not a bench, it's some big table thing.
It's some big table thing. The thing is with carrying her now, she's going to get so used to this, I like being carried.
No, she's not. As soon as she can walk, she'll be more than happy running about and doing stuff.
Yeah, that quarry's still working, it's got to be. Here, look. This isn't...
Mini Stonehenge.
Yes, it's not Stonehenge, it's Delabole Henge.
There's the sacrificial altar.
Nice sunbed you got there?
Where the corners used to sacrifice the virgins.
Yeah.
Only they can't find any anymore. Oh, it's definitely in a circle. How bizarre.
It is, it's brilliant, isn't it? It's like a... It just needs a high altar in the middle, really, doesn't it?
Ah.
Oh.
So druids. Day out, isn't it?
This is. Do you reckon they come in?
Little birdie.
Yeah, can't decide what it is.
Well, this is another oh my god moment. So this is, I do jobs in Delabole weekly, and the road that you have to drive down to get to this, I do jobs in weekly.
So you didn't
I've
know
never
this
come
was
down this far, and I didn't know this was here.
a- Oh, we nearly didn't. Only the fact you thought you saw a bench and we were so excited about trying to find a bench.
That's brilliant.
Well, this is a bit spooky, isn't it?
Yeah.
This is a Midsummer Murders sort of set, isn't it?
Oh.
I don't know if they're still making them. But this at night time with the old white cloaked
Oh.
voodoo people.
Oh.
Yeah, they're bringing somebody kicking and screaming, strapping them onto there.
Kind of scary.
Yeah.
Right, so we found something that wasn't lost, but we didn't know was here. So look, out of all the clothes my son's got, he chooses to pick the scruffiest stuff he can find where nothing matches. Mind you, if he's going to be climbing all day. Can you see me? I love it. Should we go and have a look at that property we've just seen that we like?
Oh yeah, another one in half price.
Yeah, Lisa's just seen a property that we could probably afford, so we're going to take you down and show you it. Okay, right, go into estate agent mode. You ever been an estate agent?
No.
No. Pretend you're an estate agent,
Oh.
okay, and sell me that.
That's very desirable, isn't it?
Yeah.
You've got electricity on right on tap back,
Yeah.
and if the telly doesn't work, you can listen to the buzzing of the telegraph pole outside your window. Lovely industrial chimney. I have no idea why you need such a vast chimney pot.
That's pretty impressive though, isn't
Yeah,
it?
I'm assuming it's not a house.
No, it's not. I think there used to be a weighbridge.
So,
Yeah.
It says 1926, quite neat above the door. Well, that's
Yeah. I honestly think that used to be a weighbridge for the quarry. And this is where you were weighed as you came out. I'm probably completely wrong. I do like it though. It's got
What,
potential.
there was a big scales in there, and
Yeah.
you went in and
no,
got
no.
weighed.
So your scales
before you
would
realised-
have been here. You're being facetious, aren't you? So no.
All the girls went for a week first before they got weighed. What? It's no. Go for a wee, take your earrings out. It makes all the difference.
So we're gonna have a look in here. You come in. So what's it say? Visit 6 down. Oh. So it's closed. You can go around the external yard by appointment. But I'm assuming there's some sort of little... It's empty, isn't it?
No.
Oh no, it's not. Oh crikey.
Slate Copying.
There's a museum in there as well.
Well, it's owned by the Hamiltons.
Is that Lewis Hamilton's mum?
No, George Hamilton.
What, as in like the Beatles?
What, George Harrison here?
Oh, do, yeah, that's it.
No, Hamilton, as in the musical. So we've got George,
Yeah.
Celessi, which.
See, now I completely missed that.
No, so Sally, Levi, and Rudy. So I'm not sure about this name. But Sally, don't know if that's a woman or not.
Sicily.
Cornish Delabole Slate. I completely missed that.
These aren't good Cornish names, though.
No.
No.
I could think of some good Cornish names.
No.
So, right. This was Delabole Slate Quarry.
I know.
We're off to go and do something new now. We're going to go and say hello. Winnie, wave hello to your public. Wave hello to your public.
She don't care.
She don't care. Right, we're going to go to Tintagel. Bye for now.